In this video, I'm going to show you briefly how to record a video, play back a video, change the video file, and upload it to YouTube as well as burn it to a CD. Your first step after logging into the computer is to open up the camera software. That is this icon right here called Microsoft Webcams. Once the camera software opens and the camera initializes, you will see whatever the camera sees. There you go. Right now it's looking at the desks in the background. This camera window has the ability to take a snapshot, the ability to record only voice, or the ability to record video. What you're interested in for this is the video. So you click that record button. It will freeze for a moment and then start recording. At this point you are recording. Throw your hand in front of it, do whatever you need to do, record your video. At that point you can now stop your video once you're done with your recording. Once the video stops, you're then free to look at your video and review it. You can do that by clicking on this icon here. It'll open the video that you had recorded. Now if you had recorded more than one video, say you didn't like your first attempt, you'll see just another file in this folder. Double click on this video and that will show you how to play the video back. Video opens up in a window. As you can see, the video plays sound and video, so if you don't want any sound, make sure it is silent in the room. At that point, you're going to want to name your video, since the name that it gives is simply the date, which for all intents and purposes is not very useful. So you could put your name and project, if this is a project, or whatever the name you're supposed to give to it is. Okay? Once you are happy with your video upload, you can then actually upload the video to YouTube. You can close out the camera software since you're no longer doing a recording. Double click on the internet icon and go to YouTube. You can upload a movie. All you have to do is drag your movie file into the window and it starts to upload. It's a very simple process. The actual uploading of the file takes a minute. As you go through it, you can rename your project here. Give it a little description and a tag if you want. What is important are the privacy settings. You're going to want to make sure that only the video is either unlisted or private, depending on what you were required to do in the course, and give it a standard license. After that, you can find the URL and the embed code once this is done uploading. And through the magic of video editing, the upload has just finished. Now you can see it's still processing. Only after it's done processing is when you can actually view it. While this is going, I'll also show you how to add it to an attachment. So let me go to my email, compose a new mail, send it to somebody, attach the video. I don't know where it is. It is in Documents and Settings. There's a Webcam file. There it is. Open that. It'll attach the video. Okay, and that's that. Again, to find out where the video is, you just look here. So it's under C, Documents and Settings, or actually you can drag it into the email and that'll add it in as well. So you don't necessarily have to worry about this. That's basically it with the videos. The YouTube processing is 100% complete, and now you see you have the URL at the bottom. If I want to copy that and paste it right into the browser window, there you go. Here is the YouTube video. That's all that's involved with the YouTube videos as far as recording, playing them, renaming them, uploading them, and burning it to a CD. To burn it to a CD, you have to do this. Insert your blank disk into the drive. This window will pop up. Open a writable CD folder. Have that folder open with your video. Drag your video into the writable CD folder, and then write the file to the CD. You can name it if you want. Click Next, and then it'll burn the CD. Your file will be on it. You could double check that as soon as the process is done. In the meantime, check on this email. This is sending. There you go. You can see it in the sent mail. The email is done. It's sent. It takes a minute for the CD to finalize. And there you go. Take the CD out, pop it back in, and you should see the file on the disk. You can check that by opening my computer, accessing the CD-ROM drive. Once the CD loads. Again, it takes a minute for the CD to load. It's important that you give it time. And there you go. CD is loaded. Project is right there. And that's all there is. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to ask one of the lab staff.